Hi, gorgeous darlings. It's DJ Pamela MC. Hugs, hugs, hugs. And kisses to you all. And I'm sorry for this little light I don't know where it's coming from. It's coming from one of the downlights. Anyway, I don't care. Welcome to my channel. Tonight, I am doing a delicious, authentic Chinese dinner. Okay? Okay. But in the meantime, wait. You need to wait. So, darlings, welcome back to my channel. Click like, subscribe. And if you're new, please subscribe. Click like. And welcome, everyone. I love you all. So I'm just doing a little touch up. I know. You know. It's dinner time. It's evening, and it's like, indulge and explore and be fabulous always. All right. Anyway, that's enough. For now. So yes, I am doing a delicious, authentic Chinese cuisine, which I know it probably sounds really wrong, but darlings, no, it's not. It's Chinese. Chinese food is Chinese. Any cuisine is any cuisine. So I have a delicious steamed dim sum. Now I have heated this up because I bought this today. So I'm going to pop it on the plate. Hold on. Serve it up. I have a delicious, and there's so much more, which is not in this video, just so you know. Tell me if you love Chinese, what kind of food do you like? Please let me know. So this, oh my gosh, is delicious. I have a simple steamed, I'm just doing one in this video, steamed dim sum, okay, with a chicken, fresh chicken with cashew nuts. Please have some. Delicious. So good. And an amazing special fried rice. Oh. With cashew nuts. So I know I forgot to add the microphone, but that's fine. As I'm not doing an ASMR tonight, I'm going to eat with you all and talk. So how about that? Wait, you need to say, hold on. Yummy, look. Oh, special fried rice. Look how delicious. Okay. With the chicken, vegetable with cashews and a steamed dim sum. Oh, yummy. So how was your day, darlings? Please tell me. All right, let's eat. Seriously. Oh, yum. Look, there's some pork. Please have some pork. This is a mukbang. And I wish I plugged in my video recorder, like the voice, but I didn't, so whatever. Mmm. 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 Mm. Very tasty, very delicious, very fresh. Mm. 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 So fresh. It's really nice. Mm. Oh. Oh. Whatever. Gobble up, eat with me. Mm. Mm. I hope this video comes out with and you can hear me properly eating. Mm. Oh. Mm. Totally delicious. I know. Okay. Okay. Wait, you know what? I want to actually heat it up a bit more. So hold on. Hold on. Oh! Hold on, darlings. Hold on. I know. Alright. Bear with me. I know. It's a microwave. Doesn't matter. It's like, I want my food hot. I can't eat cold food. It makes me sick. And you know, unless it's meant to be cold food, then different story. Though, darlings, I actually ordered this Chinese food today, so obviously that's why I'm heating it up. And you know what? It's magnifico. So how was your day today? Huh? Yeah. I know. You know this soy sauce? It's got like an extra something about it. There's something like excuse me. Something it's got an oomph about it. Anyway, don't laugh at my nails. Do not laugh at my nails, alright? Because look, where it goes. Nothing goes. Excuse me. My nails are finally healing from my long nails, which I miss. And they'll be back on very soon. Okay? Yeah. So, stay tuned for that one. Really hungry because I do intermittent fasting, and those that do that will understand that. So I'm hungry. This is my meal for today. Yeah. Normally it's not in the microwave, so but this is you know. Okay. Excuse me. Darlings. Look at the steam. Oh, come on, bro. Come on, bro. Come on, brother. Is that how you say it? Come on, lad. Bro, brother, mother, whatever you want to say. All right. It's pretty cool. Alright. Chill for now. Chill. To be honest, I also have a chicken and corn soup. But I am saving that. Saving this for tomorrow because it's too much. I can't eat everything like this. Alright, it's too much. And I also have so much of this already. This, yeah, you know. So get real. Alright, darlings. Excusez-moi. Hi, I'm back. Alright. So, anyway. Delish. Oppa-dappa. Now, I don't know if you can see. Can you see the steam? So good. Can you see the steam? Can you see it come off my face? I'm joking. Just see the light? What is that doing? Oh, I don't know. It's one of the down lights. Anyway. All right. All right. Oh, it's super hot, darlings. Just chill. Anyway, just chill. It's like, yeah, it's really hot. It's nice. Like, really, really nice. Hiccups, sorry. It's like, oh, can you get real? No, get out of my face. Really? Get out of my face. What's that? I don't know what that is. What is that? Ugh. It's like a mushroom. I don't know. It's kind of creepy. Obviously, for this lighting, it's a down light, so get over it, right? Anyway, because I can see another mushroom here, so if I die from mushrooms, it's here on video. And this light, that little light, so get out of my face. Shh. Let's eat. It's gonna be nice. Hey, look. What's that? I don't know. Alright. Alright, look at this. You can, alright. Boom. This is another mushroom. Hello. Hello. Mushroom. It doesn't taste like anything. Just yeah, it's gross. It tastes really gross. No, just saying. No. Tastes yuck. Just come on. I paid very expensive for this, okay? Yeah. I don't know. What is that? Chicken breast. Okay, good. Oh, no more mushrooms. I don't know. Not right now. Did you see on the news? God bless. I don't know. Something happened and a daughter cooked for people, elderly family, and they're all dead. Just get out of my face. No. Alright. This is like special fried rice. Mm, mm-hmm. Mm, mm, mm-hmm. Really nice. Wow. Yum. This is a steamed dim sum. Let's mix it up a bit. All right. It's gonna fall over the rice, everything. Mm. Mm. Oh. Mm. 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 Oh. That's hot. Oh. Mm. You know what? Someone's trying to call me, but you know what? Obviously, you're not worthy to answer the phone. So, go do what you do. I'm busy. I'm busy. And I'm happy. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. It's cool. Hey. Really nice. Oh, really nice. Seriously. Mm. 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 I know. Mm. 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 Like I said, sorry about the little light thing. It's just one of the down lights. It's fine. It's fine. Totally fine. Mm. 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 Oh. Mm. Hold on, babies. So delicious. Oh my goodness. Seriously. It's like, mm. Mm-hmm. This is chicken. It's chicken. Mm. Mm. Steamed chicken. Mm. Oh, delicious. Hey, like, magnificent. Yum, 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 yum. Like I said, this, you can see that little, that there. It's, anyway, it's one of the downlights. Hey babies, it's okay. The babies are sleeping. Hey babies, it's okay. Mm, 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 mm-hmm, mm-hmm. So, next door is a screaming chihuahua. My little babies are here next to me. You know? Yeah. They're just listening. Mm, 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 mm. Mm, 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 mm. Um, mm. No. Mm. um, I promise next time to actually add the microphone. I'm so sorry. I should have done that, but you know, sometimes you just want, you know. Mm, 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 mm. It's amazing. Mm, mm-hmm. It's a winner. Special fried rice. Mm-hmm. Mm. Dim sum. Steamed dim sum. Mm. Don't you like the dribble? Mm-mm. Yeah, let's do it. Mm. Mm. Up, 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 up. Up. Mm. Mm. Um, the lighting is like, see that? It's terrible. Mm. Bro. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. All right. Mm. 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 It's fun. Mm. Mm. Maybe like this, I'm not sure. Mm. Um. Way better. Ah, darlings, I need to eat this. Seriously, I'm hungry. Hungry. Mm. 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 So good. Mm. Mm. So good. Mm. 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 Oh, no. Mm. Oh my gosh. Oh. Mm. Hey. Mm. 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 Oh my gosh. Mm. Totally delicious. Mm. 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 I must eat. Seriously. Seriously. Love you all. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Hugs and kisses. And I love you all so much. Please click like, subscribe, stay with me. Everything. I love you all so much. And thank you for being here with me. Do you love Chinese food? Tell me. Or what kind of food do you love? Can you comment below? Please. I love you all. Let's get ready for more.